Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're all doing well, and this video I just wanted to give you a quick little update on the custom Mechatro contest. In case any of you missed the announcement, we're having a custom Mechatro contest where you guys are just required to build your own customized Mechatro WeGo kits. Now, it can be one of the Mechatro kits like this, or it can be the 1/35th scale variants, or one of the other different multiple variants that exist out there. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a link down below to the original announcement video where I detailed all the information you guys need to know about the contest. You still have plenty of time to enter, even if you haven't started yet. You still have until October 23rd, so at least a good 6 weeks or so before you guys need to be finished with that. So I have gotten well over 50 entries so far of people who are at least working on projects for the contest, so I think we should have a pretty good showing of some really cool custom Mechatros when it all comes together at the end. So hopefully you guys are working on that and everything's going smoothly. If any of you guys still need to get a Mechatro kit, you don't have one, I know we've been getting some from time to time, more and more at USA Gundam store, and they keep getting some more and selling out and getting some more and selling out. So hopefully you guys are able to get some if you plan on entering the contest. Now, what I wanted to talk to you guys really quick about in this video is that I've added a couple of judges that will be also guest judging all the entries. So myself and Adam at USA Gundam store will be looking at all the entries, of course. And I wanted to add a couple of more judges as well, just because, you know, for fairness' sake, it's better to have multiple judges. So I wanted to pick a couple of guys who I knew would be very well qualified, and also not from the same country, not for any particular reason, but it just kind of made sense to me if they were from different countries, maybe different communities. I was not picking two people who are like good friends and like in the same community, just to get some different perspectives. So we got them from opposite sides of the world. From America, we have Brian Denklau, aka Bro Builder. You guys should know who he is. In case you guys don't, I'll also put a link to his channel down below, where he does some live streaming and stuff on there. And I've also interviewed him not too long ago here on my channel. So hopefully you guys all know Brian. Great guy, very talented modeler, and has done well in some of my contests in the past. So I'm very confident in his judging abilities for this contest. Then the next one is going to be from the opposite side of the world. It's going to be Aaron Simons, otherwise known as Weathered As, from down under in Australia. So Aaron is another good friend of mine, and also I know a very talented, skilled modeler, so he's going to be taking a look at the entries as well. So between the four of us, we'll be picking the winners for this contest. Now that's the 3 top winners. There will also be a chance for all of you guys to select a winner as well. That'll be the People's Choice winner. Again, that's all detailed in the announcement video for the contest, but once the deadline comes on October 23rd, you guys will be able to vote in the Facebook album on my Facebook page. And that way you guys can make your voices heard as well and let us know who you think is the best, and that person will win the People's Choice Award. And so once again, a big thank you to Joel at Gunpla for supplying the prize pack for the People's Choice winner, and big thank you to USA Gundam store for supplying all the rest of the prizes, the main prizes, for the top 3 winners of the contest. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to let you know who the judges are going to be, who are going to be assisting me in choosing the winners. And hope your guys' custom ideas are coming along smoothly. Again, if you have any questions about the contest, do feel free to ask down below. But until next time, guys, see you later. Bye-bye.